What is up, Stan fam? Welcome back to another video. Today I got up extra early so that I can get some editing done before I head out to go to our meet. This is the meet that me, Mr. Light Mode, and Static Rider host every year starting last year, so it's only been 2 years. Made it sound like it's been a long time. But it is the tradition now, so hopefully next year we can carry on that tradition and do another meet together, because I can't be to host my own meet anymore. Honestly, it's a huge burden lifted off my shoulders knowing that I'm hosting a meet with 2 other friends. It's just so much easier, less stress, and who doesn't welcome less stress into their lives? So Stan's motivational thought of the day is, if you're stressed, don't handle it by yourself. Get a friend. Put some stress on them. So chances are, if I know myself well enough, is that I'm uploading this video a month and a half or 2 months after this meet has already occurred. In that case, I'm gonna give myself a very presumptuous pat on the back, because I'm pretty sure that's what's gonna happen. Oh, Stan, you just know yourself so well. I'm also very excited for today's meet. Other than, meeting people, obviously, that's always a plus. I get to use my gimbal for the very first time today. This baby right here, the AK-4500 by Tech. Yeah, I don't really know how to use it yet. I'm still learning, but hopefully, if I have a friend who B-rolls for me, aka Static Rider, he has a DJI Ronin, so I'm kind of banking that he'll know how to use this just because he's had some experience with a gimbal before. Anyways, I'm just gonna stop talking. Let's jump into this video.
Hey Stan, I think you're forgetting something.
Huh?
You're forgetting the sponsor of today's video.
Wait, we have a sponsor for today's video?
Aye, they sent me an email about 3 weeks prior.
Well, how come I wasn't told about it?
I think I just sent it to the wrong email.
I'm the guy who talks about the sponsors. You guys have to communicate with me if we're gonna do a sponsor for a video.
My apologies, sir.
You know what, Arthur? You're fired.
But sir,
Get out of here. I can do this myself.
fuck.
Yeah. You get to stepping. Sorry. It's just a busy day in the office. Sometimes, I gotta take charge. So let's do this right. So before we get started with this video, I'd like to thank today's sponsors, Raid Shadow Legends.
Wait, you've never heard of Raid Shadow Legends? Raid Shadow Legends is a collection RPG game that has taken the mobile gaming landscape by storm. More than 10 million players worldwide have already downloaded the game in less than 6 months. You can collect over 400 champions, gathering orcs, undead, knights, elves, enjoy a fully voiced story campaign, and even fight people online in the PvP arena. What I really enjoy about this game is that everyone can find something for themselves. Some people like collecting characters, some are all about deep storylines and graphics. Me personally, I love this game because of the PvP system. Did I mention that the game is free, by the way? Now that's a good price. They have huge plans for updates in the game for over 6 months, so there's going to be an infinite amount of content for you to enjoy. Check out this cool roadmap that they published. A new faction, a tag team arena feature, and even a new clan boss that you'll be able to fight with your clanmates. So what are you waiting for? Go to the video description, click on the special links, and you'll get 50,000 silver and a free epic champion as part of the new player program. You can find me in-game under the nickname Stan the Moto Man. Good luck, and I'll see you there.
Oh my god, dude. You're like a right angle, like a Tetris piece.
Little behind the scenes here, we got Kyle setting up one of his speakers and Tommy has the other speaker. Both of them connected to Kyle's phone. And we're going to be playing the Power Rangers music as we roll in, because we're kids like that. Perfect. Let's see how loud it is with both speakers. Tommy, your goal is to somewhat get in the middle of the crowd. That way the music is spread amongst everybody evenly.
If you guys roll, I'm just going to be in the back. So it's just going to be him in the front, me in the back. We're going to do 3. And then
Yeah. So yeah, we're all going to roll in. Well, all of us are going to roll in. We're going to be in the front. I don't know who's taking first, second, third, but once we enter the parking lot, you guys just branch off. And then we're going to make a round around the entire parking lot of bikes. So we'll have one song here and one song there. This is so corny. Wait! I'm gonna get demonetized if that plays too long. Alright, we are ready to go. Me too. Who wants to roll in first?
he's got the music, right?
Yeah, he's got the music.
First?
I'll go last.
No. Oh, yeah.
I'll go third. Ready? Ready. Dude, I don't see anybody.
No one shows up. Yeah, that'd be hilarious.
Oh, there they are. Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit. Alright, get a formation, get a triangle. I'm gonna try you guys. I don't know where you are. I'm right on your left. Are we doing a loop?
Yeah.
Well, we'll just park it up
Please stop. Okay.
I can't even hear the fucking music, dude. I think it's...
I don't know.
I'm done with this. I'm done.
We bop and hippity hop. I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom boom and hippity zoom. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I don't care.
Not taking the helmet off yet. We're gonna be rolling out here pretty quick, right?
How come you don't say hi to me, dink?
You're just the camera guy. No one knows you.
No.
Hey, thanks for coming, guys.
Thanks for coming to my meet.
Thanks for coming.
Inspired me to ride. I just started this year.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah, so
I appreciate that. How's it going, Brad? Still got the keychain. I love it. DK blue golf shirt, curly grayish hair. Hey, are you picking up the Prism?
Yeah.
That's you. Perfect. Yeah.
5180, right?
Yeah, 180. Hey, what's up, man?
Stan, right?
Stan, yeah, nice to meet you.
Try to meet you for so long.
Oh, yeah?
Finally found you. You're one of the guys who inspired me to ride.
Oh, sweet, dude. That's the second time I've heard that today.
Really?
I don't know how to. I don't know how to accept that the compliment, but.
You make it seem like it's the funnest thing in the world, and it is the funnest.
Oh, it is. Yeah, totally is.
So like I had to get out there and start riding.
Yeah.
Her voice got-
We're gonna be gearing up and heading over to Tac Moto.
Nice.
Whoa, my shifter fell off.
Oh shit. Can you still shift? What's that? I'm gonna inspect it. I'm gonna go to your left.
Don't worry, I got it. I'll shift with my hand. It's okay.
Oh my god, dude.
We made it. Hey, how's it going? Good old damn bikes.
So cool!
What's up?
Hi! Thanks for coming!
Thanks for having us. You have a good ride? You didn't get lost, did you? No one got split up? Perfect. Got more bikes in the back there. I like it. Alright guys, well I'm gonna be enjoying my meet. I gotta mingle with people, you know? Can't be pointing a camera at everybody all the time, so be right back.
Hey everybody! Welcome to Ducati Richmond / Pacific Motorsports. Still under construction. Sorry we can't let you into the building, but we do have snacks and drinks ready for you. We do have prizes today. I'm gonna get your name and find out if you'll get 2 ballots if you follow us on Pacific Motorsports on Instagram. So come grab some snacks. Alright!
Yeah.
Singing this song, I see I was wrong. To chain you down, I was a clown. I know now what you're all about. I've had the chance to ride out. I paid for the touch of your hand. Your love is so, so grand. Oh, baby.
6 seconds. 6 seconds each time. 6 seconds. Don't wait.
Thanks, Marie.
Okay! Again, thank you guys so much for coming. Welcome again to Ducati Richmond / Pacific Motorsports. I want to say a special thank you to Static Rider, Mr. Light Mode, and Stan the Moto Man for hosting this meet. So let's give them a big round of applause.
Woo woo, go stand, screw Static Rider and Mr. Light Mode.
Even though it was super cloudy, it's like the perfect weather for riding. Who thinks it's the perfect weather for riding right now? Sorry if you don't agree. Who's ready for a draw? A large pair of Dirt 3 gloves. These are the most popular summer gloves for Rever right now. I'm not even joking you. Retail something like $169.99 or something Anyways, whoever's name I pick, you get it for free. And it's this person. Alice Young.
Oh. You're gonna have to get bigger hands.
So these are the three girls of Pack Moto Ducati Richmond. That's Kathleen, that's Ariel, that's Julie. They are the nicest people ever. So if you guys are ever in the area, if you're local, come by Pack Moto. They sell motorcycle gear and all that stuff. Literally all my stuff is from there, and they're just waving while I'm talking. All right, thanks for hosting, guys.
Thanks for coming. Bye. Keep waving. Keep waving. Follow Kat. She rides an S1000.
Okay, thanks.
Thanks for watching.
Pew, 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 pew.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment.
Oh, watch, like, I can't do it. I can't.